Good morning, guys. So the holidays are now over and I have a buttload of laundry to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start knocking out some of this laundry because it's more than I'm proud to say that I have. So I got to do all the bedding and we have loads of clothes to do because we were done having guests for now and I need to just get everything kind of clean, refreshed, and reset. So let's do it. Alrighty, you guys, I'm going to start my first load before going in to collect all of the other things. I'm weird about my laundry, you guys. I always add extra detergent and fabric softener. This one is a automatic dispensing washer, but it doesn't dispense enough to me, so I always put a little extra in. And here I'm just collecting all of our sheets from our bed as well as our son's bed. I do not wash those red pillowcases, you guys. They bleed off. They bleed off even though they're not in the washer right now. So I do them separately. I'm just getting all of our sheets and comforters and I'm going to go ahead and get them prepared to go into the washer right now. This part, you guys, my little one likes to put the lint in the trash by himself. That's why he was reaching for it. And then he likes to be my big boy helper and help me do the laundry as well. So I always let the laundry kind of hang out a little bit so he can pick it up and put it in for himself and close the door. It's like one of his favorite little tasks as well as helping me with the dishes. So I want to go ahead and kind of show him the ropes now so that as he gets older, he can do it himself and he can continue to help me as I go along doing all of his big boy laundry in the future. So I really appreciate his company and his help. Okay, guys, so it is nap time. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that if my outfit changes, it is the same day, you guys. I typically change clothes to something more comfortable for me. That's usually like basketball shorts, something like that. Something more relaxed. For the second half of the day, I always do it. I don't know. It's just become kind of a habit. So if you see me change into something different, it is the same day, I promise. So nap time is over, you guys. We're going to go ahead and change over the laundry and pull out what's already dry. And I'm going to go ahead and get to folding it. I typically wash the comforter separate from everything else just because it's bigger, it's bulkier, and sometimes it doesn't wring out the way I need it to. And if it doesn't wring out right and you have other things in there, it doesn't, it causes the other stuff to be over soaked as well. So I went ahead and put it into its own load by itself to get it all clean. And now I'm going to start folding, you guys. This is the most tedious part of anybody's laundry, I believe, is folding, separating and folding. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this and I'll be back here before the video is over. So now I am all done. I'm going to go ahead and put everything away into my drawers. I'm watching my Christmas video with my little one. He likes this video. I'm putting things into the drawers, hanging them up. I'm just kind of getting everything tucked away and put back the way it's normally supposed to be. And then we're going to go ahead and finish off this laundry. Show you guys my Febreze of choice. It is the Febreze with Downy Unstoppables. It's really strong and it lasts in the air for a while. I always go on baby powder. My mother does it, my grandmother did it. It's just kind of a habit for all of us at this point. But I kind of like that fresh smell that it leaves behind too, so it's okay. Once I get our bed, I'm going to go ahead and make my son's bed as well, because he had to use his extra sheets for his nap and he was not happy about it. So I'm going to get the beds made and I'm going to close this video out. Part about this process, you guys, is once you get that laundry done, once you get your house all cleaned and put together and you go to lay down at the end of the day, it's like the best feeling to lay down after you shower and those clean sheets and have that fresh scent hit you. What's your favorite part about doing laundry and cleaning up your home? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, so as you can see, I did get my comforter out of the dryer. Sorry, it was late and all the light was gone. It's been so cloudy and gloomy here the last couple of days. I literally picked the two gloomiest days since I think we've been here. No, it's been gloomy before, but two of the gloomiest days for a while to do laundry on. So I'm sorry about the lighting in that last clip. I want to come on here and say thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.